Okay.
What's going up, guys? We're unboxing a new fart whistle from the Toy Network. And this makes Mighty Noise Maker, it says on it. This is supposed to be a specific noise to make fart noises. And here we go, y'all. Let's unbox this thing.
I'm with my boy Storm here, right?
Yep.
Yep, he's a guest. No.
Let's unbox this thing.
The fart whistle. Okay, go. Let's unbox the fart whistle. Oh, look at that. Oh, tough packaging. That's good quality right there.
Yeah, see, I can care less about this will take me a second. I'll just take me a second. I have mental,
He has mental issues. Don't judge him, guys.
completed.
It's gonna be so good.
That's why Sheldon's my friend, because we can both have mental issues together.
That's why we're. That's why.
So y'all, this is the fart whistle. I am low key kind of wondering what this is gonna be like. I guess.
Okay, go. Let's just test it out, man.
What was that?
Hold up. Wait a minute. That's not a fart. It's a freaking duck call is what it is.
Why do this wrong?
Storm broke it, guys.
That's not a fart. How is that no fart? What are you talking about, gang? That's adopted. Wait, where's the package at? Did you say how to use it or nothing? It's like one of those little kazoo things.
That was a fart.
Is that a fart?
Yeah, that's a good fart. That's how you go. That's how you work it.
If I can do this. Hold on, it's easier than this one.
Okay, so toy review. I'd say it's pretty it's okay. It's kind of difficult to work and stuff, you know. I mean, it's pretty weird. But Pirate Pete's makes some good quality stuff. Apparently, it's pretty good.
We won it because we're Asset Legends, so
yeah, we got all the prizes. Okay, we won it at this
the
arcade.
TV, 40,000. We got it, Chief.
We also bought the TV from the arcade, easy mode, obviously.
It was actually $4,000. We still bought it anyway.
I mean, obviously. And so now what we
the
go?
most uncomfortable and worst noise of all time. Like if you move it, maybe like twist it.
That's pretty good.
How is that a fart though?
That's a pretty good fart. That's not a fart. Freaking duck. Also pretty low key spooky around here. You know, can't see squat.
We're on trampoline. Can't see
yeah,
squat.
so
Okay.
guess that wraps it up for.
Last time.
This is just a random video. Okay, we'll consider this the 25 subscriber special. So there you go, unboxing, freaking.
It's okay. Watch it.
Oh my God. If you
So. Like.
Actually though, and here's the packaging and junk, right?
Oh yeah.
And also we got the goodies,
Like a snack.
snackies, you know, goodies.
Most of the snacks I ate.
Yeah, Storm ate all the goodies. I still got the goodies. Storm, however. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh.
That's hot. Da 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 da. Kids don't smoke.
Wait, do something for the thumbnail. We need to do something for the thumbnail.
Okay. What's what we did?
You should stand up and we'll get like the flashlight and everything so it looks pro for the
No, like
thumbnail.
this. I got an idea.
No, I need it from like a different angle. No, just hold it in your mouth. Put it down your hand.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.